If you're looking to explore the latest in AI software, you've probably heard of Birthday AI, a powerful tool that just hit the market. In this review, we're going over the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this new release is worth your time and investment. First off, let me just say, Birthdai AI has been generating a lot of buzz. It's designed to simplify a lot of tasks, but what makes it stand out from other AI tools? Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly what it brings to the table, and you might be surprised. For those wondering, yes, you can try Birthdai AI for completely free, right from the first link below. So why not test it out yourself and see if it's a good fit? Now let's get into it. One of the first things you'll notice about Birthdai AI is its user-friendly interface. For those new to AI software, a clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard makes a world of difference. It's not intimidating, and you won't need a manual to get started. Everything is intuitive, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be up and running in no time. Another major point is its data analysis capabilities. If you're in digital marketing or any data-driven field, Birthdai AI provides some of the most powerful analytics I've seen in any AI tool. You can integrate multiple data sources and have AI-driven insights to help you make better business decisions. This could save you hours of manual work and increase your overall efficiency. But here's where things get really interesting. Automation. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or customer support, Birthdai AI allows you to automate repetitive tasks that usually take up a lot of your time. The best part? It's customizable, so you can tailor it to fit exactly what you need for your business or personal projects. The more it learns from your data, the smarter it gets, and this is a huge win. Let's talk about customizable AI models, something that sets Birthdai AI apart from competitors. You can create specific models for different tasks. This is especially helpful if you're running multiple campaigns, customer service bots, or need specialized automation that suits a niche market. Instead of relying on a one-size-fits-all solution, you get to make the AI work exactly as you need it. Now, a feature that's often overlooked in other AI tools is real-time updates. With Birthdai AI, everything from data input to outputs is processed in real time. That means your analytics or automated responses are always up to date, saving you from outdated insights and responses. If your business relies on timely information, this feature alone is worth it. Something important to note. Birthdai AI is still in its early stages, so it's continually being improved. There are a few bugs, but the team behind it is incredibly responsive and dedicated to making updates quickly. As with any new software, expect a few hiccups, but the potential here is huge. Lastly, if you're considering using Birthdai AI for marketing purposes, you'll appreciate its integration capabilities. It easily integrates with most of the major platforms like Google Analytics, social media, and email marketing tools. This makes it a great addition to your existing workflow without having to overhaul everything. So, is Birthdai AI worth your time? Absolutely. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced user, its features can streamline processes, enhance productivity, and improve decision-making. And as I mentioned earlier, you can test it completely free from the link below to see if it works for you. Before you go, I've included a list of my recommended AI software in the description, which you can try for free. I've spent thousands of hours testing different tools, and these are the best of the best. Try Birthdai AI now and explore what it can do for you.